3 ways to organize your makeup. The first way to organize your makeup is with an in-drawer solution. First, discard any old, expired, or broken items. Keep only what you are really going to use. Keep like items together, all eyeshadows, all lip liners, all blushes, and so on. The second solution is to put your makeup on display. If you like to show off your prettiest products, corral them in acrylic containers. These sleek storage containers can be stacked or laid out side by side. The third option is on-the-go storage. If you're always on the go, opt for an organizing makeup bag that will protect your favorite products from spilling or leaking. However you choose to organize your makeup, remember that you always have options.